Hello and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. Transmission Company of Nigeria has announced a blackout in 5 northern Nigerian states including part of Niger Republic. TNC disclosed this in a statement on Saturday by its spokesperson, Ndidi Mba. The Nigerian government agency said the outage is due to annual maintenance on its Mando Kumbuzo 330 kV transmission line scheduled for Sunday, 31st May 2026. Consequently, Kano Electricity Distribution Company will be unable to supply electricity to Kano, Katsina, Jigawa, Bauchi, Yobe, and parts of the Niger Republic. A fire outbreak on Sunday razed part of the residence of the Zamfara State Commissioner of Police, causing panic among residents and security personnel. The incident occurred in Gusau, the Zamfara state capital, though the exact cause of the fire has not yet been officially determined. Emergency responders and residents reportedly worked to contain the blaze and prevent it from spreading to nearby buildings, while some eyewitnesses speculated that a fault linked to solar panels may have triggered the inferno. Authorities have not confirmed the claims and investigations are ongoing to ascertain the actual cause. A celebrant lost one of his eyesight while playing with a car amid Salah celebration on Saturday in northern Nigeria. Presidential candidate of the Nigerian Democratic Congress (NDC) for the 2027 election, Peter Obi, has said his administration will make the office of the vice president an active partner in governance and not a ceremonial position. Obi started this on Saturday while accepting his affirmation as the party's presidential candidate and announcing Mr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso as his running mate for the 2027 presidential election. Former Senator representing Adamawa North Senatorial District, Elisha Abo, has emerged as the Labour Party governorship candidate for Adamawa State ahead of the 2027 general election. The United States confirmed the expansion of its military airstrike in Nigeria and aimed to combating the increasing threat posed by the Islamic State group Boko Haram. This decision comes as attacks by the group have surged, particularly in the northeastern part of Nigeria, where civilians are increasingly caught in the crossfire. According to local officials, incidents of the violence linked to the Islamic State have risen by over 40% in the last year. The most affected areas including Borno State, where attacks on communities have left hundreds dead and displaced thousands. A prominent Islamic cleric, Alfai Ilyasu, has been killed following a violent attack by suspected Fulani assailants at his residence in Elisha Barudin local government area of Kwara State. The attack, which occurred earlier on Saturday, has thrown the community into mourning as residents gather in large number to grieve the cleric death and demand justice. In a shocking escalation of insecurity that has sent ripples of fear across Nigerians' military and political cycles, bandits have kidnapped a retired senior military officer and his wife, Major General Abubakar, a former defense ministry spokesman, and his spouse were reportedly abducted in what appears to be yet another high-profile operation targeting individuals with perceived connections to power. The incident, which occurred in the volatile Northwest region, underscores the brazen nature of criminal elements operating with near impunity. Sources close to the family confirmed the abduction, though details remain sketchy as security agencies have yet to issue an official statement. This latest attack comes amid heightened concern over the safety of retired military personnel who are increasingly seen as soft targets for ransom-driven kidnapping. Now, from the international scene, police in France have detained more than 280 people in Paris after violent clashes erupted when thousands poured onto the street, or after Paris Saint-Germain's victory in the Champions League's final. About 22,000 police were deployed across France for the game on Saturday, including 8,000 in Paris after unrest marred PSG's win in the competitions last year. Paris dreamed